Alright YouTube, I woke up very recently. I wanted to show you something that happened early this morning. So let's take a look. Down here is the remnants of an accident that happened this morning when I was asleep. I was hanging out and sleeping in my bed, and then all of a sudden there was a big booming crash. So I jumped out of my bed and I thought I was dreaming. And then I poked my head outside to see what was happening, and I saw the car that you saw there, along with a white car that had come off the road and rammed right into it. I didn't see much of what was happening as far as injured people or much outside of that. I couldn't see anyone inside the cars, but there was kind of a crowd collecting around it. A lot of people yelling. I called 911 and they said they had already had people on their way. I was hearing sirens already on their way. Pretty much 10 seconds after the 10 seconds after the accident. So I think the people there got taken care of, but it was a weird way to start the day. Yeah, I didn't want to record it while it was happening because I felt disrespectful to be recording these people in a moment of fear and suffering, or just kind of the stuff that was happening at that moment. But yeah, weird vibes to start today, but we're gonna overcome them because Cordova is a place full of good vibes, right? That's the plan. So the good vibes in Cordova. And that's where we're going today. For real this time. So I'm gonna go manage this hair, pack my things, which are now splayed out once again, and then we're off. So I'll check in with you soon, YouTube. Send thoughts to those people that might have been in that accident today. We'll talk to you soon.